With any good system, it begins with good preparation and planning. With planning tools and community support, anyone can be a food producer. We start with one bed, one group of plants, one simple growing system. In time, that one bed will develop into a family food production system that won't consume all your time. Grow fresh veggies year-round from backyard to table with confidence. Start building your endless bounty gardening system today.